Hey guys, so latest Pureglamtress custom unit with me. So first we want to take the glueless wig band, put it around our head. Then we're going to take the unit and lay it on top of the wig band. Now you do not want to leave the lace on your forehead. That's a no-no. So you want to make sure that you take the lace and put it to your natural hairline and make sure that the lace is lined up with the lace that's on the wig band. Then what I do is I take a spoolie and just refresh my baby hair. I'm not really good at baby hair, so the spoolie makes doing my baby hairs a breeze. Once you do that, you want to make sure the wig is nice and secured, make sure it's locked in. Then this is where the magic happens. We're going to comb out those curls. So the Pureglamtress custom unit does not come styled. You will have to either style your unit or you will have to take it to your local stylist. So I took this Goddess Wave unit to my stylist. She put in loose curls, gave me some soft baby hairs, plucked them apart, and this is what you see here. Magic. These curls are beautiful. The texture holds a nice curl. I'm just obsessed. There is no hair on that comb, so there will be little to no shedding. I mean, basically none. The units are made on a machine, so the machine keeps those strands locked in, honey. Again, there is no strand on this comb. Once we do that, so now I'm cute, I'm feeling myself, and boom, this is the final look. Look at that goddess. Ew.